square point of this airdrop, that will convert later in their AINN token, and that could be so much, you know like that could be, if you do equal with USDT, that could be like Aptos, like Stucknet, Mavia, those type of token. So anyways, how do you join this? To this video I will show you exactly, uh, like step by step. So first thing first, join Telegram to going this videos comment box, and after that read this instruction that here is put on. So first thing first, click this link, copy this, and connect Unisat wallet. I will show you everything put together this video. So first thing first, connect Unisat wallet, complete all tasks, tweet, retweet, everything. Just see right now. So go your browser, any browser you have that has extension feature, so search here. First thing first, I don't paste first this link, I will just, I did thing, you just search here Unisat text. That has QE, that has extension feature. So that I already copied, as paste on there, that airdrop link, and that will bring into their website. And after that, what you need to do, click on three dot option, right side option, click connect wallet, click Unisat wallet, and here we go. Try that again. When it will be connect, go, you know let me try again. Sometimes it's fucking doing problem, it doesn't make sense me when I while I create video. So anyways, you will do that, and after that scroll down here, and here is write down tweet now. Maybe you are seeing tweet now. Notice that again, tweet now. This, just do slightly scroll down, and here you go, you can get tweet now. Here we go, view option, or going to profile to click this post that you already click. So you need to have link of this, you know you need to have, okay, I'm going to profile, click profile option. After that, doing some scroll, and here we will take and go. your browser exactly this page and click on this submit button. When you will click this submit button, you will click on this. So anyways, you do that. It's pretty easy. When you will submit that, here is your point would be pop up. So I already did that, and if you see that my point, I did that here already. So notice that just going click on that link, paste on browser, and connect your Unisat wallet. After that, doing tweet and copy your tweet link and paste submit option and doing submit. After you will get 3000 square of point. In the